park looking at a nice clump or patch of ostrich fern. So ostrich fern, the fronds tend to grow out of a common base. So here you can see a whole bunch of them all centering out of one spot. An important feature in ostrich fern identification is the shape. So they're widest in the middle of the blade, I guess you would call the whole leaf structure the blade. So it tapers at the top, gets wider, and then tapers again at the bottom. So the length of these leaves are as longest here in the middle and short down at the bottom and short down at the top. The lady fern, which we have on the other side of the path, is also shaped the same way. So it tends not to grow in such a distinct cluster as the ostrich fern does. Often a lot more individual stems, but the same, shorter at the bottom, widest in the middle, and shortest at the top. Well, that one's got a big kink in it. So I think of lady fern, curvy like a lady. So I've got them laid out on the road here. So lady fern is the two on the left, ostrich fern is the two on the right. So I'll talk about some key differences between the two. One way we talk about ferns is we think about pinnations. Pinnations is just thinking about how many times it's divided. So in this fern, ostrich, it's 2 times. So 1 is the main stem, 2 is going up the leaf. So it's 2 times pinnate. Lady fern is 3 times. 1 going up the main stalk or stem, 2, and it's not quite 3, but 3 going up the leaf itself. So you can see it has more leaflets than the ostrich fern. So lady fern, curvy lady, and frilly. So it looks a little more frilly because it's got more pinnations to it. Another key characteristic is ostrich fern, the main fronds are sterile. So this is the front or the top, and this is the backs of them. No spore structures. Lady fern, this is the front, this is the back. You can see those dark spots. Those are the sori, that's where the spores will come out of. So ferns reproduce by spores. So those fronds are fertile. Ostrich fern on the right, lady fern on the left. 2 times pinnate, ostrich fern, no sori on the backside. 3 times almost, so more frilly on the lady fern, sori or sporing bodies on the backs. If you like eating fiddleheads, ostrich fern is the one you want to collect.